Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be solving this question on coordinate geometry that is common with GCSE, WAEC, and NECO. I've seen them often in exam questions. Now the question says we have P and Q are 2 points in a plane. We have to find the gradient of the line that is normal to the line PQ. Now if P and Q are 2 negative points on the plane, let's take a visual diagram of that plane first. Here is a plane. Now this is the positive side. Yes, 1, 2, and if here is 3, then I can grade this to be 2, and here is 4. Here is minus 1, minus 2, here is minus 3. Same way, here is minus 2, and here is minus 4. Now point P is at 3 and 4. That's X is at 3 and Y is at 4. So here's point P. And point Q is at minus 3 and minus 4. So here's point Q. So I can tag this as Q, that's minus 3 and minus 4. And this is point P, here is 3 and here is 4. Now, so I can join both points together to give me line PQ. So here's line PQ. Now we have to find the gradient of the line that is normal. First thing is to find the gradient of line PQ. The gradient of a line is always given as, we'll call it M, will be given as y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. So if this is my 1, let's call point P1, so that this will be my x1, y1, and point Q2, this will be my x2, y2. So that my M now for this particular line will be the same thing as y2 minus y1, that's minus 4, minus 4, all over x2 minus x1, that's minus 3, over minus 3. That equals to minus 4 minus 4, that's 8, minus 8, and over minus 6. Definitely minus cancels minus. 2 here is 3 is 4, and 2 here is 3. So this is equals to 4 over 3. That's for this line PQ. So that my gradient for line PQ will be the same thing as 4 over 3. 4 over 3. Now, if the gradient for line PQ is 4 over 3, what is the gradient of the line that is normal to line PQ? Now, the characteristics of the line that is normal to line PQ says that M1 for normal line, M2 is equals to minus 1. So if M2 is 4 over 3, my M1 into 4 over 3 equals minus 1. This means that my M1 will be equals to minus 1 divided by 4 over 3, which is equals to minus 3 over 4. So the gradient M1 here for the line that is normal is minus 3 over 4. With this, I hope you understand how I found the gradient of the line that is normal to PQ. I hope when you see them in GCSE, in WAEC, and in NECO questions, you'll be able to attempt them. Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next class.